Hello good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we are given the following Olympiad Math. Right over here we're going to evaluate this expression x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5. We are given the equation x squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times x. Now let's see how we can solve this problem. Firstly, I thought about expanding the following: x squared plus 1 over x squared and x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. And from here, x squared times x cubed will give us x to the power of 5 plus x squared times 1 over x cubed, we are left with 1 over x. Then plus over to the second term, 1 over x squared times x cubed will give us x, right? Then plus 1 over x squared times 1 over x cubed will give us 1 over x to the power of 5. So we can see from here, if we try grouping this, we get x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 plus x plus 1 over x. So we can see that at least we have gotten this expression here, x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5. So from here we can make it the subject. So we can find out that x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by x cubed plus 1 over x cubed minus here in bracket x plus 1 over x. Amazing. So from here we already know that the product of this minus this will give us the expression which we are looking for, right? So our target now is to find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared, x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, and also x plus 1 over x. Now from the original equation, we have x squared is equal to 1 plus 2x. Now let's go ahead and divide each term from both sides by x. So here we have x squared divided by x. This is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2x divided by x. So from here, this is x and this is equal to 1 over x plus 2. Now, this term crossing over, we get x minus 1 over x. This is equal to 2. Nice. Now, what do we do with this equation? Now, let's go ahead and square both sides. We'll be making use of the following property: a minus b squared. This is same as a plus b squared minus 4 times a times b. So if you make use of this property at the left hand side, we have x plus 1 over x squared, then minus 4 times a times b will be 4 times x times 1 over x, which is 4. This is equal to 2 squared, which is 4. Now add 4 to both sides, we get x plus 1 over x squared. This is equal to 8. Now from here we take root of both sides, and here we arrive at the solution for x plus 1 over x, which is equal to plus or minus root 8. And plus or minus root 8 is same as plus or minus 2 root 2 in simplified form. You know why? Square root of 8 is same as square root of 4 times 2. So from here, square root of 4 is 2, and here we have root 2, right? Okay. So from here, we already found the value for x plus 1 over x. Now let's go ahead and know how we can find the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared. So from here, x plus 1 over x, this is equal to, let's use plus or minus root 8. But do not forget the simplified form is this expression here, or this number. So now let's square both sides. So from here, the left hand side will be x squared plus 1 over x squared plus, I think, 2, right? So this is equal to, now, plus or minus root 8, you know, the square and the root sign will cancel out, and here Remember that a negative value to the power of an even number will give us a positive value, right? So we just have 8 here. So if you subtract 2 from both sides, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 6. So we have this solution here. Now, what about x cubed plus 1 over x cubed? Okay, there are multiple ways of finding the value for x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. So which one are we going to do? Now, we can multiply both sides of this equation by x plus 1 over x. From there, we can still find the value for x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. But what is that the best way to do that? Now let's go ahead and check it out. Now multiply both sides by x plus 1 over x, right? So from here, x plus 1 over x multiply by f squared plus 1 over x squared. So this will be equal to 6 multiplied by x plus 1 over x. So from the left, x times x squared will give us x cubed plus x times 1 over x squared will give us x, right? So let's leave that. Now 1 over x times x squared, x times 1 over x squared will give us 1 over x, yes. And then for the second term, 1 over x times x squared will give us x, and 1 over x times 1 over x squared will give us 1 over x cubed. Then remember, we are left with x plus 1 over x. Now from the right, remember the value for x plus 1 over x, which is plus or minus 2 root 2, right? So this place will become 6 multiplied by plus or minus 2 root 2. So from here, we get the value for x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, which is equal to, so from here, 6 times this will give us plus or minus 12 root 2, right? So we have there plus or minus 12 root 2 minus the value for x plus 1 over x here. That will give us plus or minus 2 root 2, right? Now we can simplify this. Let's first take the positive values. Now when you take the positive values here, we have plus 12 root 2 minus 2 root 2. That will give us 10 root 2, right? Now when we take the negative value, we get minus 12 root 2 minus 2 root 2, which is the same as minus 12 root 2 plus 2 root 2, which will give us minus 10 root 2. So this means from here we have the value for x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, which is plus or minus 10 root 2. Now the expression x to the power of 5 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared multiplied by x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, then minus x plus 1 over x. So this will become x squared plus 1 over x squared is 6 multiplied by x cubed plus 1 over x is plus or minus 10 root 2, right? Then minus x plus 1 over x will give us plus or minus 2 root 2, right? So from here, let's simplify. So this will be equal to, this place we have plus or minus 60 root 2, right? 60 root 2 minus, here we have plus or minus 2 root 2. Now for the positive value first, we have 60 root 2 minus 2 root 2, which will give us 58 root 2. So from there, we can conclude that the value will be 58 plus or minus 58 root 2. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.